Withdrawing money from your target account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your target account. Visit the Target website or open the Target app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once logged in, go to the wallet section of your account. This section contains your payment methods and any available balances. Step 3. Select the withdrawal option. Look for the option to withdraw funds or transfer money. This may be labeled as withdraw to bank or something similar. Step 4. Enter bank details. Input your bank account information if it is not already saved. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal amount and bank details. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You should receive a confirmation notification. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Be sure to check your bank statement for confirmation of the deposit.